Ever spent hours meticulously editing a video, only to realize it's far from perfect? Stick around, because today we're unveiling the most common video editing mistakes that could be sabotaging your work. And we're not just listing them, we're giving you real examples to help you steer clear. First, let's understand why dodging these mistakes matters so much. High-quality editing is more than just stringing clips together. It's the art of storytelling. Missteps in this process can ruin viewer engagement, make your video appear amateurish, and even increase your editing time. Now, let's dive in. First on the agenda, lack of planning. Imagine shooting a birthday party but forgetting to capture the cake cutting. A clear plan, complete with a storyboard or script, guides you through the editing process and ensures that your video tells a cohesive story. For example, if you're editing a travel vlog, a plan will help you decide which shots to include to best convey your trip's essence. Second, poor audio quality. Imagine a scenic drone shot ruined by wind noise. Quality audio is crucial. Utilize tools like noise-canceling software and always test your audio levels. For instance, in an interview setup, make sure you can hear your subject clearly over any background noise. Third, overuse of transitions and effects. Remember those 90s home videos with star wipes and spinning transitions? Don't be that person. Subtle fades and cuts often work best. Use special effects only if they serve the story, like a slow motion effect to emphasize a critical moment in a sports highlight video. Fourth, failing to cut on action. Ever notice how movies cut to a different angle right as an actor opens a door? This is cutting on action, a technique that helps guide the viewer's eye and maintain interest. For instance, in a cooking video, cut right as the chef starts stirring, not midway through. Fifth, lack of breathing room. In the same way a song needs pauses between notes, your video needs space to breathe. If you're editing a dialogue-heavy scene, allow natural pauses for viewer comprehension. You don't want your audience to feel rushed. Sixth, incorrect exporting format. Ever uploaded a video only to find it pixelated on YouTube? Always export in the appropriate format and resolution for your target platform. If you're targeting social media, a vertical video might be more appropriate than a widescreen format. Now, some additional pro tips. Firstly, organize your footage. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet. Label your clips as B-roll, interview, or scenic shots so you can easily find what you need. Secondly, make regular backups. Ever lost a day's worth of editing due to a software crash? Frequent backups, even every 30 minutes, can be a lifesaver. Thirdly, give feedback. If you've been staring at the same clips for hours, a fresh set of eyes can spot issues you've missed. Show your rough cut to a friend or colleague for unbiased input. Lastly, device testing. Ever watched a video that looks great on desktop but terrible on mobile? Always test your final cut on multiple devices to ensure cross-platform quality. If you're ready to up your editing game, resources like online tutorials and editing software manuals can offer in-depth guidelines. Investing a little time can yield big results. In conclusion, steering clear of these common mistakes can significantly elevate the quality of your videos. A well-edited video is engaging, professional, and compelling, so take the time to do it right. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.